Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to share live location on WhatsApp using your Google Maps. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to need to do is open our WhatsApp application. Once you have opened your WhatsApp application, here you can see all the contacts that you have on your WhatsApp. Now here you'll have to scroll down and turn on your location. Here as you can see, my location is already turned on. Make sure to turn on yours. After that, tap on the chat you want to share your live location to. Once you have tapped on the chat, here on the message box, you can see various options. Here you can see a paperclip icon and a camera icon. Tap on the paperclip icon. And here on the fifth option, you can see location. Tap on it. You'll have to allow WhatsApp to access your location. Tap on continue. And after that, here it is said that participants in this chat will be able to see your location in real time. And this feature will share your location for the duration you choose, even if you're not using the app. Tap on continue. Here you can choose the time limit of how long you want to share your live location. And here you can also add a comment such as my location. And once you're done, tap on the send button. And just like that, here as you can see, your live location has been shared using Google Maps. And here you can also see your option stop sharing. You can tap on it anytime you change your mind and you want to stop sharing your live location. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.